Hey, what's up guys? This is Daz, aka Darren Prothero, and you are on my website, darrenprothero.com. In this video, I'm going to start teaching you how to create a blog, everything about domain names, hosting, how to get started online, how to launch your new blog, everything. You will learn how to set everything up via WordPress, the best #1 content management system on the planet. So popular and so easy to set up. And yeah, let's get right to it. I'm excited, I'm ready to get going. And the best thing about this all is it won't cost you a penny if you play properly and use the wordpress.com. But if you want to go self-managed, you can use .org. Let's jump right into it, guys. Laptops waiting, microphones. So this is blogging basics. Let's get going.